Oh, hello! Today I'm going to tell you all about self-care Sundays. For me, it may just be self-care every day. Haha, well, as you know, I care a lot for my hair. I've had long hair since I was 14. In fact, in the last year, I've grown it out quite a bit. If you desire Rapunzel-like long hair just like me, here are some must-know home haircare tips. I use the Cuticle Gel Self-Heating Hair Cap at least 3 times a week when I apply my deep conditioning hair mask. I like to rotate between silk, milk, and keratin protein from Dr. TWL Pharmacy's customized mask bar. And let me share with you my beauty secret. There's also my favorite Lipisilk and Lipishine hot oil treatments, which helps to seal and repair the damaged cuticle, leaving my hair shiny, glossy, and smooth. And you, how do you spend your self-care Sundays?